Hello everybody. Today we are at the Sandridge Park in Roy. They have a car festival going on right now, so we're gonna videotape all the cars for you here, and I have my lovely assistant Rachel here. Will be explaining to you all what the cars are. So here she is.
Sup? Okay.
That's a Bronco there.
Yeah, that's entry number 16.
Yes.
Um,
Just stand in front of it and look at the camera.
it was made in 1975 and it's a black Bronco.
There you go. Ooh, look at this classic.
This one was made
Now
in
you know that's a Stang.
This is a really cool car. I like this one. I want it. This car was made in 1965 and it's a Mustang.
Let me get a view of this thing.
Okay. I want that car.
You what?
I want that car.
Oh, you want that car?
Yeah, I want this car.
Well, you better find the owner. Okay, now here's another Mustang. Hi, Rachel.
Well,
Hold on.
I already told you what the model is, I'll just tell you when it was made in 1966.
1966. Very good year.
And another Mustang. And this one was made in 1999, actually. Oh yeah, so this is
Now look at the camera there, Rachel, when you say what it is.
okay. This one's
It's a Shelby. It's a Shelby.
What?
It's a Mustang Shelby. It's a 68.
Yeah. Yeah. It says right there it's 1968.
Okay.
Oh my
God. Now, Rachel, why don't I just buy you this car right here?
Oh yes, I still want this car.
Wouldn't you be cool
Yeah,
cruising down the street in that?
All the rest on this, yes. Very lovely. This one's old. As you can tell, it was made in 1926. That's old.
Hey, your grandma was born in 1929. So if she sees this video, she might get mad at you. Now let me look at the inside here. Look at that.
It doesn't say anything on this car, so like not the tag. Nothing.
Wow, this is a Ford V8. I don't even know what it is.
No. I want this one.
This is a Corvette.
I want that.
Okay, go see. Read what it is.
Chevy Corvette. Made in 1967. And it's cool. This is a car I want. I want that convertible. Hey, it's for sale!
How much? Let's buy it.
$28,800.
It's not a bad price.
It's not. I want it.
Look at how clean it is. Wow.
It's a Corvette, but it doesn't say what year it's in, so yeah.
Wow, here's another Corvette.
It's made in 2005.
2005 Corvette. Sweet. Oh, that's the one I saw in yesterday's car show. Yeah.
It scared me. I thought they were real people.
This was at yesterday's car show up in Huntsville.
That's sick.
Viagra.
Oh, probably.
Okay, pose with the mannequin there, Rachel. She ain't gonna bite you.
No. This is a Cadillac, and it was made in 1967. Yes, stop it!
That's spooky. Oh, look at this classic. What do we got here, Rachel?
I can't read his handwriting, it's too scribbly, but it was made in 1955.
It's a Chevy. It's a 55 Chevy.
It just says Chevy.
Yeah, that's short. Wow, here's a nice one.
This doesn't have any tag on it, so I can't tell you what year it's made in.
Yeah, it looks like a 1932 or something. It's real old. It's a Chevy though. Oh, look at this.
Okay, this is a Ford. Here. It was made in 1930.
1930.
Is your hand on the speaker?
So my mother was 1 year old. Yes. But that's all right. It's just for the win. I don't want the win.
Okay.
Thank you again, everybody.
Okay, Rachel, what's this one? Here, look at the camera.
I have to read it.
All right.
Everybody who pre-registered as well as you guys come in, you just go right
Yeah, it's a 62 Studebaker. Studebaker. Studebaker.
Okay.
And you really couldn't do it without them. I mean, what other
This one's,
people could drive in the park
same as that one?
Just another Studebaker.
Yeah.
So, keeping that in mind,
1961.
1961.
vehicle number 161, Lee Clark, and a 69
Okay.
Chevy Camaro.
Look at the camera there, Rachel.
Ah, it's funny. There's this little sticker in here, and it says, "Look, this car's like a wife, but she ain't yours. Keep your hands off." It's funny. This one's a Brewery. It was made in 1962.
Okay. Okay, we're going to stop this video and do another one because the time's almost up. So Rachel and I are going to stop this one and start another video for you all so we can continue on with the show. Okay? So we'll see y'all in a bit. Bye-bye. Say bye there, Rachel.
Oh, bye.